So hey, what's up guys, and welcome to the brand new video on this channel. And first of all, happy new year to all of you. And in today's video we will see 5 best Android applications for month of January 2021. So if you are interested in downloading these applications, then don't forget to watch the video till the end. And if you are new to the channel, then please consider subscribing so I can create more such content for you every week. Along with this, all of these applications shown in this video are really amazing as well as interesting and useful. So if you are interested in any application and want to download, the link will be provided for the application in the description box below. So don't forget to check them out, and without any further delay, let's start the video. The first application on our list for the best apps of January 2021 is Circuit Live Wallpaper. Now Circuit Live Wallpaper is a really amazing application in which it displays the internals of your phone in live wallpaper format. This is a really amazing application that you must give it a try. All of these wallpapers are really amazing as well as they give kind of futuristic vibes to your phone. Also, this app has more than 10 plus live wallpaper of the circuits. And all of this wallpaper supports to all the Android phones out there. And when it comes to applying the wallpaper, you have to just go to the application, then tap on apply and press OK, and you can have the futuristic vibes on your phone with just one tap. So all around, this is a really amazing application which gives the futuristic vibes and also the aesthetic looks to your phone in a live wallpaper format that you must try in this year. So don't forget to check this application in the description box below. The link will be provided. And without any further delay, let's move to our next application. So the second app on our list is kind of battery notch indicator, which indicates the battery percentage of your smartphone by just sitting on the camera notch or the punch hole of your display. This is a really amazing application which indicates the battery of your smartphone in a really cooler way. And when it comes to activation of this application, you have to just install this application from the Play Store, then allow some permissions to the application, and now you can customize it as per your choice. When it comes to customizing, you can increase or decrease the size and thickness of the notch or the punch hole indicator. Also, the position can be changed from left to right or up to down as per your choice. The colors can be selected for the different stages of the battery percentage which you like. And also I will be providing the separate application for the people who are having the water drop notch display. So don't forget to check both of these applications in the description box below. The next application can be very useful if you want to uninstall the applications in the bulk from your smartphone within few seconds. At that point, the unapp can be very useful app to uninstall this. This app can uninstall many of the applications from your smartphone in the bulk as per your choice within few seconds. Now you don't need to worry to uninstall the application one by one from your smartphone. These apps can be helpful for you at that point. In this application, you can uninstall the applications from the smartphone with the help of sort feature in which it has newly added, size or newly updated and many more. So all around, this can be very useful application at some times. So don't forget to check this application in the description. And without any further delay, let's move to our next application. And if you are still watching our video, then please hit the subscribe button so you can get more such content for you every week. The next application on our list is Keelimba. The Keelimba is a really amazing application in which you can play it as a game or instrumental player. It is the best application for fun and learning at free time. In this application, you get the piano which you can use to record the tracks and the tunes in this application with its built-in recorder for the audio. Also, this application is fully customizable in which you can customize the number of keys, tones, color of the tones and background color and many more stuff in this application. And the best and the interesting fact about this application is the smiley emoji. These smiley emojis acts like singing the song as you place the instrument in this application, and which sounds really interesting while playing. So all around, this is a really amazing application, and I will highly suggest you to download this application from all the applications shown in this list. And also it is one of my favorite applications for playing it in free time. So the link of the application will be provided in the description box below, so check it out. So the next application on our list is KC Icons. Now KC Icon is a really amazing icon pack which is made by an Indian developer and it's a free application. In this icon pack it has total 900 plus icons with kind of desaturated and colorful theme. All of these icons looks really good on any wallpaper or home screen setup of Android smartphones out there. So this is a really amazing application, and the best fact about this application is it almost supports all the good launchers out there on the Play Store. So to apply these icons here, so you have to go to the application and tap on apply icons, then select the launcher and press OK, and now you can get these icons on your home screen. This is a really amazing icon pack which can take your home screen setups to the next level. So I will highly suggest to download this application from the Play Store. The link of the application will be given in the description. So that's pretty much for this video. In this video we saw 5 best Android applications for month of January 2021, and if you enjoyed this video and found any of these applications useful, then please consider subscribing to the channel and pressing the like button on the video so I can create more such content for you every week. Along with this, more such Android related and app reviews are coming on the channel, so please consider subscribing the channel so you can get more such content every week. So I will meet you in the next video. Until then, stay happy. Peace out.